5 women attitudes that men love. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Cyclogy. The curves are not everything in the male mind. Discover the attitudes that make them crazy in a girl and love them. What do men like? What are a recurring question? Sure, you made it more than once, and the first thing that comes to your mind are parts of the female body: legs, back, breasts, and yes, they like all that, but in fact there are other things that they prefer in girls, like being nice to them and injecting joy into their lives. The physical is immediately attracted to them, but in the long run they value the following attitude in a woman. Number 1, smile. Smiling is a very easy way to convey to men that you are friendly and it's okay to approach you. You have no idea how much they fear rejection. So when you smile, you invite them to be themselves and to feel at ease near you. Number 2, make it sweet. By this, I do not want to say that they like you to be cheesy and embarrass anyone who stands in front of you. Simply that you are warmer and open to relationships. To be sweet is to be positive in your comments, to put aside sarcasm and treat them with respect. Number 3, be independent. Much of the drama in relationships comes from dependence. Jealous women feel that if they do not have men by their side, their life will be over. But that's not true. Boys like you to have something to do, that like it as much or more than having a partner, because it's a sign that your life is complete without them. Remember, an independent woman is perceived more plenty and secure than one who isn't. Number 4, accessible. Have you ever refused to see a movie of genre that you do not like, or go to restaurant for a certain type of food just because it's not your favorite? Yes? Then you are not accessible. A woman attracted to men is primarily an adult, knows how to negotiate, and sometimes, not always, can watch football game. Number 5, know how to control her emotions. Have you ever made a scene to a man? You might think that being intense with your emotions is something very feminine, but it's so or not. Most guys are annoyed that you burst into tears or furry without real reason. A mature girl able to understand what she is feeling and able to handle it with intelligence is very attractive to them. So guys, these were the 5 attitudes that men love in girls. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video.